Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show how to disable fill handle option in Excel worksheet. Let me show with an example. Here I used length function. After writing the formula, user can fill underlying cells with the same in two ways. First one is double click on the fill handle. Application automatically fills the underlying cells with the formula. Second method is drag the fill handle to the required cells. So here I will show how to disable this option. Click on File, click on More. Here we can find options. In that options, click on Advanced. Under the header of editing options, here I am removing the selection from the Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Click on OK. See, now I am writing the length formula here. Here application not allowing the user to drag the formula to the underlying cells. If you want to enable the same option, click on File, click on More, click on Options, click on Advanced. Here I am selecting the same feature. Click on OK. Now let us see. I am able to drag the formula. So in this way we can enable and disable the fill handle option. Thanks for watching.